Welcome to Donquijote, a massive Japanese discount store and a paradise for souvenirs while traveling Japan. Donquijote sells everything you need and more than you can imagine. Once inside the store, you'll feel like you're lost inside a maze that is never ending. Exploring the aisles, you'll find groceries, appliances, souvenirs, alcohol, beauty products, electronics, costumes, and much more. You'll find products you never knew existed. While going through this maze-like store, there will be music blaring from every corner, with aisles crammed from floor to ceiling with all kinds of products. You can find all of your Japanese souvenirs to bring back home, cheaper here than any other tourist attraction in Japan. Not to mention, it's a Kit Kat paradise. Put this place on your Japan to-do list and expect to spend most of your morning or afternoon exploring Donquijote.